Yeah, I know, it's been this long since I posted my video on the cheat engine clone, and you guys have been leaving many comments on my video, and honestly I didn't expect it to get this much attention. So first of all, thank you all for your support. We're almost at 2000 subs while writing this. And second of all, yes, Linux support is here, and also some other minor features. So let's start with Linux support. It's been a bit of a pain, but I kind of did it. And I say kind of because you can't select from a list of opened windows on your machine, but you can select a process. So it does work. You just have to search for your target process from a larger list, which is a bit harder, especially if the app you're trying to test this on has multiple processes open. But it's not the end of the world, right? Since I mentioned both being able to select from a list of processes and selecting from a list of windows, you can probably guess that I also added something to let you switch between the two, which is this checkbox right here. And I also added a new button that refreshes the list of processes or windows in the list, so you don't have to reopen the app if the target process spawns after you have opened it. Instead, you can just reload the list. And as for the features that I didn't implement yet and some of which you mentioned in the comments, those were memory mapping to make the program more efficient and run faster, pointer scanning as a tool to help those who want to do reverse engineering, Lua scripting support for the people that want to add extra functionality to it, a value type selector to differentiate between short, int and long values as well as strings support, and DLL injection for more advanced hacking. And another nice thing would have been unit testing to make development easier, but anyways. The big reveal here is that I'm not going to continue working on this, or at least I don't plan to, unless I get interested in the future about learning how to do some of the features mentioned earlier. But even though I don't plan on working on this anymore, feel free to fork my repository or contribute or make your own. If you open a pull request, I will try to review it as soon as possible, and if I miss it, you can ping me on Discord. As I said in the previous video, the whole project was for educational purposes, and I can say that its purpose has been achieved, at least for me. Speaking of the purpose of the project, there were so many of you that were more interested in using it as a hacking tool rather than using it as a tool to learn, which makes me a bit sad. Furthermore, people were asking in the comments if you could use it on servers or that I should make it work on servers, and this, alongside the people thinking that this was specifically made for Minecraft, tells me that maybe I didn't explain well enough how it works and why I made it. So in other words, let me show you a comment that summarizes perfectly what I feel right now. So yeah, I'm a bit confused. Why use my tool when you could use something better? Why even use a hacking tool at all if what you're going to do is just give yourself items in Minecraft? Because as the comment said, you can just use creative mode or just the /give command. And if we're talking about hacking tools, cheat engine is a million times better. Or you could use something made specifically for what you're trying to hack. That being said, I don't really condone hacking on multiplayer games because it ruins the experience. Unless you're playing on a server made for it, like 2B2T,
the oldest anarchy server in Minecraft.
Putting aside my small rant and all of this negative energy about my cheat engine clone video, many of you were also very supportive and showed it a lot in the comments. And I can't express enough how much I appreciate it. You ripped a part of your free time not only to watch my video, but also to leave a comment to support me. And another super mega positive aspect from my video, which I probably shouldn't have left at the end, is that some people actually made their own cheat engine clone like I suggested. And they also made videos about it. So yeah, I will leave the links to their videos in the description, or you can find them on Discord if you are already joined. I think it's really cool that you guys actually did this. You guys are amazing. Anyways, this was more of an informative video, so thanks for watching, and maybe like and subscribe if you aren't to see what I'm going to add next to my Minecraft clone.